Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here to discuss some topics related to the mathematics, that is number system. So before starting the number system, some warm up is given there. Just see what it is. Observe the following points scored by Radhika and Arman. Now answer the following question. Write the words in points scored by Arman. How much Arman is scored? That is 2095. So write it here, 2095. 2095. Okay. Now what about the Radhika score? 2000s. For 2004. Okay. Now write the place value and the face value of the colored digits. Here you can see the color digit is 2. What is the place value? It is on the ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So it is equal to 2000. And what is the face value is same. What about the 9? 9 is on tens place. So you have to write 90. And what is the face value is 9. Okay. Now write the expanded form of the points scored by Arman. How much are Arman scored? That is 2095. So you have to write 2000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 5. Okay. Now who scored more points? Who scored more points? That is, here is the 20. Here you have to write 2000. 2000s. 104. Okay, 104. So whose point is more? Yes, Radhika's points are more. So you just write who scored the more point? That is Radhika. Write the predecessor of the point scored by Radhika. You just have to write the predecessor. So which is the predecessor of 2104? That is 2103. Then round up the points scored by Arman to the nearest 100. So here is the number 95, means it is equal to 2100. Okay. Now see, the next one is what is given? That is my way ahead. Here the numbers are given. Just read it. Revati and Fabian are studying number at Fabian's house using an abacus. Students, you know about the abacus? Yes, the abacus is like that. In these, the numbers are, means the round circles are given. Okay. Now, hey Fabian, we know that we cannot place more than 9 beads in each spikes. So what happens if at 100 place there are more than 9 beads? Revati, we follow the same procedure as we do for the rest of the place. We shift the 10th bead of the next left place. Let me show it to you. Just Revati said here, you are already aware 4-digit number. The largest 4-digit number is 9999. If we add one more to the 9999, we will get the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. So just see here. If you added 1 to that point, yes, the number is shifted to 1 on that side. Okay. So largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Similarly, if we add one more to the largest 5-digit number, we get the smallest 6-digit number, that is, yes, 1 lakhs. The largest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Okay. Now what about the place value chart? Just see here. In lakhs period there are 10 lakhs and lakhs. In thousand period 10,000 thousand, and in ones period, that is 100, tens and ones. So see the number 52,673. So in the 10,000 it is 5, 1,002, 106, 10, 7, and at the ones place you have to write 3. So here the number 52,673 is read as 52,673. Now consider the number 1,20,539. Here is the number 1 in the lakhs place. You just write in the lakhs place the number 1, 10,000 is 2, 1000 is 0, 105, 10 at 3, and at 1's place it is a 9. Okay. Now what about the place value? So according to the number where it is placed, position, the number is on the 1's place. So we write it 9 multiplied by 1, 9. 3 is on the tens place, so 3 multiplied by 10, 30. 5 is on 100 place, so 5 multiplied by 100, 500. 2 is on 1000 place, but it is equal to 0. Now 0. Now 2 is on the 10,000 place, so the value will be 20,000, and 1 is on the lakhs place, so multiplied by 1 lakhs, you will get 1 lakhs. Okay. So this is thus the place value of a digit depend upon the position of the digit in the place value chart. What is the face value? Face value of the digit of the number itself, that you know already. Anywhere the number is placed, in a lakhs place, 1000 place, 100 place or 1 place, the value of the number is itself is its face value. Just see here, 2 is the 2, face value of 6, 6, 3, 3, 5 face value is 5, and the face value of 2 is again 2. Okay. Now depending on that, some exercise is given there. My practice time 1. Arrange the following number in the place value chart. See the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means starting from the ones. So writing from 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 2. Okay. Now what about these? Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting from 1, that is 1, 0, 2, 5 and 3. What about this one? Started from 5 here. 5, 9, 6, 1, 2, and in the lakhs place is the 3. Okay. Now same you have to do for the remaining one. Now write the number name of the following numerals. So what is the number name is 36,521, then 25,399, 65,900, 98,103, 1 lakhs 2,533, 2 lakhs 51,000, 6 lakhs 75,473, and 9 lakhs 89,763. Okay. Now write the numerals of the number names. Means you just have to write in the number. 95,000. So you just have to write 95,609. 609. Then 71,000. So you just have to write 71,012. So only 0, 12. Then 89,000. Write it here. 89,925. Okay. Now in this we have to write the remaining one. Then write the place value and the face value of the underlined digit. What is the place value? 2 is in the 100 place. So what is the place value is 200. What is the face value is 2. Here is again 2 is on the 10,000 place. So which place value is 20,000 and face value is 2. Here is the 6 is on 1000 place. So place value is 6,000 and face value is again 6. Okay. Now in this we have to do the remaining one. Now, expanded form and short form. The expanded form of a number is a way of expressing it as the sum of the place value of all its digits. Just see the example. The expanded form of 35,269 is 30 is on the tens place, so it is 30,000. 5 is on the 1000 place, so it is 5,000. 2 is on the 100 place, it is 200. 60 on the tens place is 60, and 9 on the ones place, you just have to write 9. Okay. Now similarly the expanded form of 1,20,989 is 1 is on the lakhs place, so you just have to write 1 lakhs. 2 is on 20,000, 9 is on 100, 8 is on 80, and 9 is on again 1. Or again you can write it as 1 multiplied by 1 lakhs, 2 multiplied by 20,000, 9 multiplied by 100, and 8 multiplied by 10, 9 multiplied by 1. So in this way you have to write the expanded form. Both you can use. Then when a number is written in figure, it is known as the short form. It is also known as the standard form. Okay. Now see, this is the expanded form is given. So how you are writing in the short form? Just see the number position 20,000. So in the 10,000 position you have to write 2. Then 6 is on the thousands. On the 1000 position you have to write 6. Then 129. So okay, in this way you have to write. Then expanded form of the following number. So expanded form of the following number, just see the first one, A. The number is 58,790, so 92. It can be written as 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 90 plus 2. Okay. Now see the F1. That is 2 lakhs 670. So it can be written as 2 lakhs plus 0 plus 0 plus 600 plus 70 plus 0. Okay, in this we have to write. See the second question. Write the standard form of the following. So first one is A, that is 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 5. So it can be written as 25,695. Okay. Now see the D1, that is 5 multiplied by 1 lakhs plus 2 multiplied by 10,000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 9. So it is equal to 5 lakhs 20,329. Okay, now in this we have to write. Then write the following number in expanded form. 30,016. So you just have to write 30,000. So third one is 30,000 plus 16. You can write 16 or you can write 30,000 plus 10 plus 6. Then 89,000 means first 80,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 1. Okay, now see the next one, that is comparing numbers. While comparing number, we observe the following rules. See, rule 1, the number with more digit is always greater than the number with the lesser numbers of digit. Means when you are comparing between the two numbers, first you have to count the numbers. Okay, the number which are having the more count is the greater number. Then if the number of digits are same, then we compare the digits starting from the left to right. Okay, if the number are same, means the counting are same, means here is the 6 digit, here is the 6 digit. So what you have to do, you just have to start it from the right to the left. That is, here is the 1, here is 1, here is 3, here is 3. Then see the third place, that is 2 here, 5 here. So which one is the greatest one? This one is the greatest one. Okay, now ascending and descending order. When we arrange the number from smallest to largest, it is called as the ascending order. Means in ascending order, first you have to put the smaller one, then bigger, and at last you have to write the largest number. And in the descending order, you have to first put the greatest number, then smaller, and at last you have to write the smaller number. What about the successor and predecessor? Successor of a given number is the number which comes just after that number. Means the number is if 6,78,230. After the 230, which number is 231? Means you just have to add 1. And what about the predecessor? Predecessor of any number is the number which comes just before that number. It means you just have to subtract 1. Before the 70, which number is come? 69. So 69 is the predecessor. Then forming largest and smallest number. To form the largest number using the given digit, we arrange the digit in the descending order. Means first you have to write the largest number, and we arrange the digit in the, and for the smallest number you arrange the number in the ascending order. Just see, form the largest and smallest 5-digit number using the given digit without repetition. Means any number not should be repeat. 05316. For this, which number? First you have to arrange the number in descending order. So largest number you have to write the first, greater one, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. At last you have to write smaller. But in the smaller digit, if you are writing the 0, 1, the number only of 4 digits. So first you have to write the 1, then you have to write the 0, and then 3, 5, 6. Okay, now in this we have to write. So what is my practice time 3? Compare the following number using smaller than, greater than, or equal to sign. Here you can see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the 5. Okay. So now you just see the first digit, that is, here is the 9, here is the 8. Which one is the greatest? 9. Then here is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is the 6. Here is the 1. Which is the greatest? This. Then here you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both are same. The first number is 5, 9. Which one is the greater? 9. Okay. Now in this way you have to do the remaining one. Just arrange the following in ascending order. So for that, what you have to do, just see the numbers and write the numbers in first ascending order. Means first you have to write the smaller number. Okay, now see the second question. First one, 542 478. Okay, next 62 461 24 199 92 489 and then 246 955. Okay, now see the 5 numbers here. Which one is the greater one? First you have to count the digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 5 5 and the 6. So which number is the smaller one? Means it is the ascending order. In ascending order you have to write first the smaller number. Which one is the smaller one? 5 lakhs, 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is smaller. Then 92,000, 24,000, 62,000. So 24,199. Then which one is the greater than that? That is 62,461. After that 92,489. After that 2,46,955 and last is the 5,42,478. Okay, now in ascending order first you have to write the smaller one. Just you have to do the follow the same for the remaining one. Now see the third question, descending order. Again in this descending order first you have to write the greater one, then this is the greater. After that here is the 19, here is the 19, here is the 7, here is the 8. Means this first, the second, third, then fourth and this is the fifth one. Okay, now see the question number 4. Write the successor of the following. Means for find out the successor you just have to add 1 or just count the number after that. So 23,045. 45 after the number is 46. So you have to write 0 46. Then 667 is 668. So you write 329 668. Then 31. So you have to write 38 232. Okay, now in this you have to do the remaining one. Predecessor means one number before. So before the 98 which number is come? 97. So write 41,097. Then here you have to write 54,321. Before the 21 which number comes? 20. So it is 54,320. Okay, now in this you have to do the remaining one. Smallest and greatest 5-digit number. So which is the greatest one is? First is 65321 is the greatest and smallest is 1 2 3 5 6. This is the smallest. Okay, now rounding off the number. Rounding off numbers. Rounding off numbers to the nearest tens. To rounding off the number to the nearest tens, look at the digit at the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then the tens place is rounded to the next 10. If the number is one place is less than 5, then the digit in the tens place remains the same and but the digit in the ones place becomes 0. Just see here. 26,724. Just see the last number is 4. It is less than 5, so make it as 0. So it will be 26,720. See the second one, 97,056. Last number is the 6. It is the greater than 5, so make it as 0 and add 1 to the last number. It is 260. Yes. Now rounding off to the 100. For that what you have to see? You just have to see the two numbers. If two number is greater than or less than 5 or 50, you just see to round off the given number following the steps. Underline the digit at the tens place. That is 4. Here is the 4. Then 4 is less than 5. So the digit at 100 place does not change. Where the digit at the tens place once remains becomes 0. So it will be converted at 45 is converted at 0 0. And what about this 489? The number is 9 greater than 5. So you just have to do 9. So here I have to add 1. So here will be 500. Okay. Now what about the 1000? Again you have to see the 100 place. Which number it is? 3. So it is less than means it is written as 000. And here is the 7. It is greater than means add 1 to the next digit means it is 46000. Okay students. So see the round of the following numbers to the nearest tens. So means this one means it is the 26, 570. 9 means it is 24, 590. 79, 9 means greater than 5, so write it as 23, 680. Now what about the 100? Means just see the two numbers. It is 7, means it is written as 13500. Then 95 is written as 25600. Then 18, 566 means it is written as 600. Thousands means you just consider the third one is 6, means it is written as 24000. 10,945 is 11 as 11,000. 28 1 is less than, so you have to write 28,000. Now in this way you have to do the remaining one. Roman numerals. A numeral is a symbol used to write the number. The numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, that we use all over the world. Today we call the Hindu-Arabic numerals. They were developed in ancient Indian. The term Hindu means the Indian, and it was introduced the Western world by the Arabs. So the Roman numeral system used only 7 letters to represent all numbers, that is I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay. Now see, here are the numbers are given. 1, 1, 2, 4, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 IV, 5 V, 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 VIII, 9 IX and X is equal to 10. Okay. Now see, for 1 is equal to I, 5 is equal to, you have to use V, for 10 you have to use X, 50 L, 100 C, for 500 you have to write D, and for 1000 you have to write M. Okay. Now, however, writing the Roman numerals is not that simple. It follows several rules. So what are the rules? There are no symbols for 4 and 9. Yes, therefore 4 and 9 can be written as before writing the I. There are no zeros in this system. When a symbol is repeated, add to find the number. When the symbol is repeated, you just have to add. And when the symbol is followed by a symbol of smaller number, add them to get the number. Just see, V and I means the greater number is back and smaller number is in front, then you have to add. And when the greater number is front and smaller number is back, you just have to subtract. Okay. Now, when a symbol of a smaller number is placed between the two symbol of greater numbers, subtract from the number represented by the symbol that follows the immediately. Means just see, X and V is greater than I. So what you have to do, you just have to put the first number as it is, then I, and IV means you have to write 5 minus 4 means 14. Okay. Now in this way, here are the numbers are given up to 1 to 20. How we are writing in the Roman numerals? Just see the my practice time 1. Write the number in Roman numerals. 5 can be written as V. 7 is VII. 10 X. 14 10 IV. Then what about the 19? XIX. Okay. And 11 XI. Now do the remaining one by your own. Hindu-Arabic, VII means it is the 7, XX means it is the 20, XIII means it is the 13, V means 5, IV means 4, V means 5 plus 3 is, you have to write 8. In this we have to do the remaining one. Okay. Now, rewrite the following sentence. Sita and Rama wrote 14 Roman numerals. Sita wrote XL and Rama wrote LX. So which one is the correctly? Yes, 40 means you have to write. Yes, 50 minus 10, that is 14. There are 30 trees in the garden. So how you are writing 13? Triple time X. 50 means L. Okay, now in this we have to do the remaining one. So students, are you understood the first lesson? Okay, that is addition. The number is number system. I hope you all will understand all the topics in the lesson number 1. Thank you so much for attending class.